To add when Abhishek was talking about how talented they are. When I went for the narration, they narrated the entire film from the beginning to the end, and they played every single character. I was amazed. Yeah. They were like, oh, yeah. And then here comes Teddy.
No. He does nothing like that. Poor chap. No. Not at all. No, the great thing about Sajid Farhad being writers as well is actually when the film they narrate to you the first time is the film that you end up seeing. They narrate with edit cuts and everything. So because they're so good at what they do, their editing is already done. And the film has not, I mean, whatever I've seen of the film, it's exactly what they narrated. So, and he doesn't, in fact, ये बढ़ाते हैं. 8 घंटे के बाद ये तो भागना चाहते हैं. They नहीं shot उसको दे दो, उसको करने दो, ये dialogue उसको दे दो. He doesn't do anything like that. He's just got a bad reputation.
नहीं, उन्होंने दिया है.
Hi Sajid. Hello. Hi Sajid. Nadyad Bala. Yeah, my question is to you. क्या reason है कि एक साजिद इस बारी absent है third part में से, Sajid Khan?
He didn't want to. He was for the third. He was doing Himmat Wala, and he thought this is a very difficult genre to write. Also, after some time, even they'll say we don't want to because the genre gets saturated in writing after some time. Very difficult to edit. Very difficult to make a trailer for this film. So usually a writer, after 1-2 films, starts getting in the saturation mode.
इसका ट्रेलर बनाने के करीबन मेरी शूटिंग डेज है 38 days का ट्रेलर बनाने में 40 दिन गए. Because they couldn't understand it how to get the whole thing. कि 2.5 मिनट के अंदर इस सारा कुछ दिखाना, उसकी स्टोरी लाइन बतानी, क्या करना है, to get it in the one thing, it was quite difficult for them. Because I remember कितनी बार इन्होंने दिखाया and nothing was working out.
Scene has already been written, but the way you are so spontaneous, हमने देखा जो comedy वगैरह कभी spontaneously कुछ चीज निकल आती है, there are changes.
बताया ना आपको, दो टेक किए ना, एक हमारे टेक, उनका टेक.
फिर हमने घुटने टेक दिए.
Sir, I want to congratulate you, sir, for making a fantastic film. This, but I would like to know, sir, Mr. Akshay said. No problem. Mr. Akshay said that he has taken 38 days to complete his shooting. So how long you have taken to complete this movie, sir?
Sorry? How long have I taken?
65 days.
65 days. And how long you have taken for your planning, sir? When you have completed this film in 65 days, so how many days you have taken the planning that so and so day I will go to complete?
अब जाके
ऐसा था कि इन्होंने कहा था कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ये नहीं कहा था मैथ्स का एग्जाम देना यहाँ.
Acha sir, tell me something about the heroine. Why they are so quiet? Why they are not saying anything?
Voice them anything.
Because you have not asked them a question, sir.
Hey heroines, say something.
Hi. Jackie? Riso?
कोई तो पूछो.
Jackie?
माइक चाहिए मेरी ले लो.
Hi Nargis and Lisa. My question is to both of you.
We have a question? I don't need this.
You guys also are working for the first time in the Houseful franchisee. How was your experience of working with all of them?
Nargis, go first.
I had a blast. This has been, I shouldn't say this because I feel bad for this has been the funniest and the maddest and the coolest film I've ever worked on. So, yeah. And with the coolest people, funniest people, coolest people, warmest people. So, thanks guys for having me. What about comedy? It was fun, a lot of fun. Yeah.
What about comedy?
Comedy is great, and I had a great time doing comedy with these comedic guys.
Yeah, I had a great time doing it too. These girls are the coolest girls ever, and we actually had a lot of fun hanging out and cracking jokes. And I don't think I had to do abs for like a month because we would just be laughing so hard. That's true. What are you looking at? Yeah, and the guys are fun too, of course. But Sajid and Farhad are actually. I wanted to add when Abhishek was talking about how talented they are. when I went for the narration, they narrated the entire film from the beginning to the end, and they played every single character. I was amazed. They were like, oh, and then here comes Teddy. Yeah.
They have the MTV,
So
and laugh trap also.
and music. All the music.
My question is also to Abhishek and Ritesh. You both are working together after Bluffmaster together. So how was it getting back together?
How is it getting back together, D? We keep in touch.
Yeah.
So
पर फिर भी कब के बिछड़े यहाँ अब यहाँ हम आके मिले हैं. But
it was great.
It was great.
What was nice is, even with say Baman or Akshay or Ritesh, we've all worked together. So, I think it's like riding a bicycle. Once you've already worked with somebody, you just pick it up from where you've left off. So it was, I'm very happy I got the opportunity. Not only with Ritesh, but with Akshay, Baman, and all these beautiful ladies. So it was great. I think we picked up where we left off, no, D?
Absolutely. I think it was a wonderful experience. I was actually waiting to work with Abhishek for a very long time. And when I remember one day when Sajid Nadyadwala called me up and said, we've already spoken to Abhishek, I was really happy and excited that we're going to have a great bunch together. And Bomzi and Akshay and all the girls, Jaguda, we had a great time. And Chunky, of course, who can...
Mamma mia, thank God you remember.
Question to the... Jackie, how was your experience working in Houseful?
You haven't spoken.
My question to the director and the producer.
But Lisa had a question. Just a second. Yeah.
I just want to know what Jackie's experience of working in Houseful was. Seeing as it's your third time.
Thank you, Lisa. No, I can't, like, seriously.
Just talk about yourself. How do you feel doing what you did?
Just talk about me and Nargis.
Of course. But, this was a very special one for me because in Houseful 1, I was there doing Dhanno. And then I was cast in Houseful 2, and, like, that was... I was, Dream. Shut up, actually. And then I was there in Houseful 2, and that was like a huge thing for me. And now
that's not fair. No.
No. This is what always happens. But he does this in the scene as well, by the way. So it's as much as it's amazing working with Akshay, and you learn so much because of his comic timing, it's also very painful. But now being part of Houseful 3, just to be there from the beginning of the franchise and to see it grow and, to see, the addition of, different cast members and stuff. It's just been such an amazing ride, and to work with, two fantastic directors who really guided us through. With the girls as well, we're pretty new to comedy, I think. And, but, we had such a great time doing, comedy because we were under your great guidance, and we were... acting alongside such amazing actors who know comedy so well. So it really kind of boosted our confidence and, helped us. So thank you, to Houseful 3 and thank you, Akshay.
My question.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much for being patient and हम लोग की सबकी बातें सुनी आप लोगों ने. अगली बार कोशिश करके हम इतनी बातें नहीं करेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का. I hope you guys have enjoyed this evening. Thank you very much again.
Thank you.